you're doing great. And I'm Santam, and I'm a Flutter developer, and I work on Flutter for a year and a while, and I have done some comprehensive projects on Flutter so far. Recently I just created a Flutter package which is search map location, and you can see the version 0.0.4. so as you can see, it has 2 likes, 110.62% popularity. I'm not sure how many people are still using it, but I did not share it with any share it to any of my social platform that people should know about this. But here I'm trying to do the demonstration that how anyone can use this package. Okay, as you can see, it's a edit text widget. That means if you type something on it and using a Google Place API, it will retrieve the closest the relevant search result of places. Then you can, if you click the location, you can get the lat long, then other relevant information. As you can see, you can use it as a as this widget search location. You just need to put your API key there, and you had a callback. Whenever you select a place, this callback will trigger. So this has 8 attributes, and only the required attribute is API key. Then you had on selected, whenever you select a place on search. Then you can also set the language also. Then you can use the country code to restrict the result for work only for a country. You can, as you can see set the ISO code there. From here you can get the ISO code. Okay, if you look at the example, the first example, as you can see, I put the API, then I set the language English, then I set the country BD, which means Bangladesh. So it will work only for Bangladesh. If type any location or places, it will show the Bangladesh's places there. Okay, so that's how you can restrict the search by a country. Then you can set the location and radius. So within this location and then this radius, the search will work. So this is how you can customize this package. So let's try to use it on a project. So if you see the simulator screen, here I need to calculate the delivery cost after choosing a location. So here below this text I will put the edit text widget. So if you look at the project, so this is the screen, and as you can see, this is the text search your location. So below this, in the column, we will add the widget. So first of all, let's add the dependency. Copy that, then put it in our pub/spec file. Then pub/get. So I did not have the opportunity to test it after updating it to 0.0.4. Hope I will not get any exception. So slowly and gradually it's downloading the dependencies. Okay, it's done. So still get some dependency related error there. So if I do pubget another time, hope this error will gone. It's happened when you add any dependencies, the other dependencies show some error. So okay, it's fixed. And if we go to the calculate delivery cost screen, here we'll put our widget. And what is the name of this widget? I forgot the name. Search location. So if I type search location, okay, it's showing. So okay, search location, check the package, add a required argument API key. Okay, we need to put the API key first. So I put my API key in a pen.dart file so I can access it globally like this. Place API key. Okay, and I need to set this search query only work for a country. Which country I should set? Yes. Okay, I will set it for Nigeria, so the search query only work for Nigeria. Then I have to set on selected callback after I select a place, so it will give me a place object. This is also including my package place. So I can use the place from here. Let's consider a variable. I already add a variable address which is string, and I will use the place dot description. The place's description I will put in a address variable so that I can show it the API screen, any place of the API screen, and then I can set a method for calculating the delivery cost, so which I already created. I just comment it out. So I uncomment this part. Okay, and this is okay, delete it's also giving a lat long error. Let's import this file also. Okay, so in this callback, get delivery cost, will set the place. As you can see what happening to the delivery cost method, it checking the provider that if the delivery cost is null or not. If null, then this part will trigger. Basically what is happening there in try catch, so is request started true, that means it's requesting for calculating the delivery cost from server. Here I got the geolocation from the place. I can get this geolocation. I also mention this thing here also. So you can see the doc, how you can get the geolocation, and using the geolocation you can update your animated camera when you use Google Map. So using this coordinate you can update your camera. So here we are not basically using Google Map, we just only using the search place widget. So by using this we are able to extract the coordinate and use it in our project for different purposes. So as you can see, and I create a lat long object which is included in my package. So geolocation, coordinates and latitude, then I get the longitude by the same, and I put this lat long to my send it to my server. Here it's calculating and giving the delivery cost. So if you run the app, we should be able to see the widget. Okay, it's performing hot reload, but it's taking time. Usually it doesn't take that much time. Okay, as you can see the widget appears. So if I type in the widget screen, if I type A, and you can see the result, which all these relevant results are belong to Nigeria, because we restrict it by country NG, so it only work for Nigeria. But if you didn't put this parameter, you did not set this parameter, you can it will work your search query globally. So also I have shown example using the custom location, and from this location you can use a radius from. So for that particular region you can use your search query. Okay, thank you. If you need any assistance from me relevant to this project, you can comment on this video, so I can create more elaborate example for you. And if you like this package, you can hit like button there. Also you can like my videos and comment that comment there that you want more information about this package or the Flutter things. Okay, thank you very much. Hope you like this video, and sure I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.